Good afternoon everyone, and welcome to Cortijo Aceitunas. And I think, honestly, I've seen this property many times through different agents on the websites, and we were approached by the vendors, and we had a little discussion, and they agreed to lower the price. Okay, so they've just come off 350 and we're now at 334. Okay, so that's 334,000 euros, and I've seen it for the first physical time, and honestly I don't know why it hasn't sold. This is a little gem. Okay, so we are in an area called Macapas, and we're literally 1 kilometer from the entrance of Alcaucin village. Okay, it's literally in that direction there. You got all amenities kind of on your doorstep. This is a newly concreted track, so no more track, no more dust, no more kind of worried about the weather. Concrete all the way to a very nice entrance where we've got gated, and it's walled. Pretty much 2/3 of the plot is walled with this huge wall, retaining wall, in good condition as well. We've got a property with plenty of character. It's split level. It's essentially 4-bed 2-bath at the moment. We've got a nice big parking area underneath a nice olive tree here. Garage all in, okay, and then on the top of that it's got a flat roof, perfect for another terrace if you want to put glaze or balustrade in there. Let's just show you the garage. So again, it's in good condition. Everything's been repainted, I think, in the last 12 months. You've got water, electric, washing machine is in here. What you see is what you get with this property, okay everyone? Furniture wise, machine wise, kitchen wise, it is staying and being sold as it is. So you've got a great turning area for parking. Like I say, it's honestly some really nice established mature olive trees around. You've got fig trees, there's a pool, there's a garage. Honestly, I am pleasantly surprised. Right, we're going to start off on this lower terrace here. So you can see the retaining wall that's been put in around the plot. Nice little bridge feature and pathways throughout leading up to the pool. Okay, so the pool is, again, I mean, the age of this property, it's over 35 years old, I think. So it could be tiled, it's been painted. That actually probably is less maintenance in the future. But there you can see you've got different lawns, there's irrigation, and the views are pretty amazing. Westerly facing, you've got a distant lake view from the upper terraces there, and privacy is 98%. You've got a balustrade of the neighbour there, but obviously they've got to be looking over the balustrade. Yeah, this has got massive potential, I think, you know, with a bit of more outdoor landscaping, some tweaking inside. This property has it all. Okay, so this terrace leads up to there. That's the back end of the plot there. Look, there's another terrace on the side there of the property. Yeah, getting excited about this one, guys. So let's carry on our view. Again, different aspect to the pool here as we get onto another terrace. You've got all this crazy paving with lacquer. This is like a local stone, really well used on lots of terracing. And there you can see that flat roof on the garage. Small little casita there, storage. And then we come to the main house. So we've got balustrading and steps leading up to the main top terrace, which again is a nice size. And there you've got, I mean, amazing distant views, mountain views. You've got Lake Vinwella there. Camaras will be in the distance, Castilla de Salia, the Sapphire Pass just around the corner there. But your sunsets are absolutely fantastic, and you're pretty much going to have the sun all day here, guys, because the sun will come up over behind the national park. And again, that's green all year round. There's so many positive things about this property. So here side kind of terrace, work terrace really. You can put your drying and stuff. There is a little bit of movement on this corner. This is probably, you know, that's kind of the reason they've lowered the price to 334,000. It's all done, you know, at the end of the day, it's been standing for so many years, and it could be underpinned, I guess, is the best fix for it. But they were living here for 28 years, I believe. So that's you know, that's a good sign, isn't it? Okay, so into the property, we got a metal door, and you can tell its age, okay, by the tiles, the kitchen. Yeah, obviously we've got a huge open fire here. Okay, that's not been used, but it could be if you put a flue in there. On the window side of things, on the living space, what they've done, you've got the original windows here, and then it's triple glazed because there's another double glaze on the other side there, which is put in more recently. So that's really quite good. Okay, archway leading into a good sized kitchen. Again, basic kind of kitchen, pine, used to be the fash, but we've got oven, electric hob, double sinks, and massive potential, guys, to open this out or kind of put a new kitchen in, have an L shape or a bloody island or whatever you want. This has big prospects. There's an AC unit there. There's another one in one of the bedrooms. Again, patio doors crying out for it. You could open that out into that view. It really, it's a bit of a minor project, but honestly, you could live in here for 12 months, see how it goes, and then decide what actually is important and what needs doing. But yeah, basically got like an L-shaped living space with a kitchen there on the left, into dining area, and into lounge. Well, so another nice thing which I didn't realise is it's split level. Okay, so this was the original build here, where we are. Down the steps was a more newer build from, I think, yeah, 27 years ago, which is obviously on newer, bigger foundations. So this is the general bathroom, original, everything original apart from that brand new water heater there and mirror with lighting. Then we've got bedroom number 1. So not huge, but certainly, you know, it's a Spanish double, and you've got massive wardrobe space in this one. So that's double wardrobes, and then also you got concrete retaining wall at the back there. Okay, that's all secure, and a pathway leading right the way at the back of the property, so you can get entirely around the property basically. So down 4 steps and into the second bathroom, which again, there's no ensuite as such. That could be changed. Again, separate water heater here, original sanitary ware and tiles, but hey, it's fine. Everyone's got their own tastes. This is a good sized bedroom, so I would be knocking through there, having an ensuite, and this is a really nice room actually. You could have patio doors here onto the terrace above the garage, and again, it fits wardrobes, but it's ticking lots of boxes, guys. This is bedroom number 3. So again, that's windows onto the front view, and then fitted wardrobe as well. That's a newer AC unit. That's obviously an inverter as well. So that's all functioning. Pine doors, and then the final bedroom. You can see you've got fibre here with the movie star box there. And again, obviously these 2 rooms are kind of used for working, I guess, office space. But the fact is, there is a good amount of space. It ticks all the boxes from being detached, separate garage, pool. The plot is really nice. Nothing can be built in front. It's on a rustic plot, Cortijo Aceitunas has actually blown my mind. Okay, simple as that. So I want to be the one who sells this property through VillaSolutions and my colleagues, and I really do think with this video and this amount of information, there's a buyer out there who's looking for exactly this type of property. A bit of a minor project, a fair price, ticking all the boxes from a build perspective, and position wise very, very good. Okay, so if you're looking for further information, then contact us directly on 0034 696 522 171, or indeed via our website villasolutions.net. Thank you.